What do you think what needs to be done to release Imran Khan? What will be the message from you to Pakistani authorities? Because you've been working with him, fundraising for Naval University and for the Cancer Hospital. What will be your message to these workers as well as the Pakistani authorities in terms of release Imran Khan?
Well, number one, I think there was a bit of a breakthrough this week that the United Nations recognized that, or a working group of the United Nations in Geneva recognized that it is a human rights violation that he's in jail. So I would contact this working group in Geneva and try to campaign, with legal ways and with lawyers, etc., for his release. No one can go against the United Nations. It's a very powerful support that he has now. And also, you can lobby parliamentarians here in the UK, and maybe in Pakistan. PTI was very, very good at getting the crowds, the masses out with music, etc. Maybe there could be a Sufi music concert in his name to release him. Peaceful protests, peaceful coming out. Maybe they should stand outside. A lot of people go to the jail and say and do a qawwali or something, and sing for his freedom, something like that.
Mainstream media, even the newspaper, are not allowed to publish Imran Khan's name. Even you can't mention the name of the Imran Khan. So Pakistani authority would not bother about Geneva or anybody else.
Pakistan, international, overseas Pakistanis should do that. They should definitely contact the working group in Geneva of the United Nations. And, I thought PTI has hired a lawyer, a law firm. They must get in touch. Very, very important.
When you heard the cases about Imran Khan, for example, corruption case, iddat nikah case, cipher case, these are the cases. So what was your first response or first thought about it? But you've been working him, Imran Khan very well, thought that it could be true sometimes.
No, certainly not. He gave away everything he had for the sake of supporting the hospital. So I hope they're not giving away my rice pudding. He gave away all his wealth to support, in support of helping the people of Pakistan. Absolutely not. He's not interested in money or anything. It does not make sense. With an iddat case, I don't know. Why would he marry in someone's iddat period? I don't understand it. That I really simply don't understand. But I don't think that's anybody's business. It's a personal matter between him and Allah.
Yes.
But he's definitely never been into lining his pocket. The opposite, emptying his pocket for the sake of the Pakistani people. So it can only be something is strange about this. It wasn't Imran. That's all I can tell you.
If he need money, he could carry on what he was doing, like go in politics or so on. Because he was so popular.
Absolutely. He could have easily become just a cricket commentator, started a sports company, but he never was interested in money. He was so not interested. He wanted to use his fame for the sake of the people of Pakistan, to help the common people of Pakistan. That's what his passion was. And the environment, stop the deforestation, not making money. No.